What's the next big trend? Well, it's been here actually for a while, but you might not have caught it yet. The future is e-commerce. Jeff Bezos caught the trend over 20 years ago, became the richest person in the world. But it's still happening now. It's still an opportunity for you. Think about Toys R Us, out of business. Why? Because of Amazon. Thousands of people, part-time or full-time, started selling toys online. And Toys R Us couldn't compete. I've been doing e-commerce for quite a long time. Once you get a business up and scaled, you'd be surprised on the opportunity that's there. And it's still there, but it won't be there forever. I've been training tens of thousands of people. Last year I opened a blueprint on e-commerce and how I generate revenue online. And I've made a 2.0 version, a new version of it, because things have changed a little bit in the last little while. Things have changed. So the opportunity is continually kind of morphing and changing. But that opportunity is there. It's morphed a little. You got to learn some new skills. So I've launched a 2.0 blueprint on e-commerce. Everything you need to know, even if you don't know what you're doing. I can't tell you how much the internet has changed my life. You know, when I got started, I didn't know what business to launch. And e-commerce, basically the simplest thing to launch that I know of now. Now I had to learn it the hard way from mentors in the School of Hard Knocks. And you might have seen my e-com program that I had for a higher price. I've decided to open it up to basically anybody by creating a small test group and just charging $1. And then you're also going to get, and this is something I've never done, I'm gonna actually get on live calls with you each week. I'm gonna show you the testimonials of people who have been through the first course, first level. Now you're gonna get the second level, which is even better. I'll be posting some screenshots. You know, one that comes to mind, my favorite one. Now, not everybody gets this result. This is an extreme result, but he was making $0. He was making whatever, $2,000 or $3,000 at a job. Got in the course, learned e-commerce, started selling clothing online, jumped to about $1 million in revenue. And he shot to about $1 million a month with about 200,000 net. Imagine how his life changed. And I'm not saying you're gonna get those huge results, but you don't necessarily need to make $200,000 a month. You make an extra 1 grand, an extra 10 grand. Whatever it is, you either catch this trend or you get left behind. I hope you don't get left behind. So I wanna show you everything step by step. If you already know what you're doing, we'll have advanced stuff. If you're a beginner, we'll get you started right from the beginning. You could be up with an online business in literally this week. You know, and I'm gonna show you what to sell if you don't know what to sell, different items, how to catch trends, how to search the internet and find trends, the newest trend, the newest thing that's selling, how to search Amazon, you can find things in Amazon, how to use Google Trends, all kinds of things. Then we'll show you how to set up your store. Then once you've got your store set up, we'll talk about whether you should use Shopify, whether you should sell on Amazon, ClickFunnels, if you should use eBay, or you should build a custom site, WordPress. We'll talk about how to get merchant processing, how to be able to accept credit cards, whether you're gonna use Stripe or your own mids. We'll talk about how to handle customer support. And then the most important thing is how to get paying customers. We'll show you how to do the marketing. The opportunity's there. Grab the opportunity. Do not be slow in this world. This is definitely top 10 things that I wish they had taught me in school.